Editing WooCommerce product pages allow you to customize how products are displayed and presented to your customers. Here's a step-by-step guide. Install a page builder plugin. Use a page builder like Elementor, Beaver Builder, or WP Bakery to simplify customization without needing coding knowledge. Install and activate the plugin from the WordPress plugin repository. Access product pages. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Products, All Products, and select the product you want to edit. Click on Edit Product to open the product editing screen. Modify product details. Update the product title, description, pricing, and other details as needed. Use the page builder's drag and drop interface to rearrange content blocks. Customize product layout. Use the page builder's customization options to adjust the product page layout. You can add new sections, reorder existing elements, change fonts, colors, and add multimedia content like images or videos. Add custom fields. Install plugins like Advanced Custom Fields for WooCommerce to add custom fields to your product pages. This allows you to collect additional information from customers or display unique product attributes. Preview and publish. Preview your changes to ensure they appear as intended. Once satisfied, click Update to save your edits and make them live on your website. Test product page. Test the product page to ensure all changes are functional and provide a seamless user experience.